This is the diction for Ave Verum Corpus for the Christmas choir this year. The text is in Latin, and so all the A's will make an ah vowel sound. The I's will make an E vowel sound, like two E's in English. The O's will make an O, and the U's will make an oo, and that's A-E-I-O-U. I think that's all 5 of the vowels. And in English, we use diphthongs for our vowels, which means two sounds. So we say a-ya, and we close after we make the first part of the vowel, a-ya. But for Latin, we're going to freeze our mouth in the first half of the vowel like this, a, ah, o, oo. So we aren't going to make two sounds, just one pure sound. And I'm going to just chant through the words, and I'll try to go kind of slow so you can copy along when you're at home. Oh, and the R's should all be flipped. If you can't flip your R, you can make a D sound in lieu of an R sound. Like, so we're not going to say Maria, which would be a rhotic R sound. We're going to say Maria. If you can't say Maria, you could say a D sound. Maria, it will come out sounding just about the same. So, A, verym corpus natum, de Maria virgine, vere pasum immolatum in cruce pro omine, cuius latus perforatum da fluxit et sanguine, esto nobis pregustatum in mortis examine. And so a couple other little rules. When we say ta or da in English, we put the tip of our tongue on the roof of our mouth right behind our upper teeth. You can feel when you say ta or da, and you can see how far back my tongue is. For Latin, we're going to bring our tongue forward onto our teeth, which is called dentalizing our T's and D's, like this. Ta, da. So that's why I said natum instead of natum, natum. So you bring your tongue onto the teeth. The J's make a U sound. And I forgot to say that before. Oh, and the omine, the H is silent. And I think those are all of the rules. So now I'm going to say the text one more time, a little faster. Ave verum corpus natum, de Maria virgine, vere pasum immolatum in cruce pro homine, cuius latus perforatum unda fluxit et sanguine, esto nobis pregustatum in mortis examine. And that's it.